Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be making some vegan French toast. These are really easy and they're simple and they taste amazing. So you're first going to want to start up with some protein powder, and I just added that to a bowl. Then you're going to want to add some sugar. And then again, I just added that to the same bowl. Then you're just going to want to use whatever egg replacer you want. Here I'm using cornstarch, but you can use applesauce or even the instant egg. Here you can also use whatever liquid you want. I'm just using milk, but I've also seen people use coffee creamer or even eggnog, and I feel like that would taste really good. Here I'm just mixing all of the ingredients together, or rather whisking. Then you just want to take your bread slices and dip them into the batter. I took about 2 bread slices and I cut them into 3s, so in total I had 6 slices, and I just dipped them into the mixture. You want to kind of let some of the excess liquid come off of the bread, otherwise your French toast sticks are going to be too liquidy and they might end up breaking, as you can kind of see as what happened in this one. Then you just want to dip your French toast sticks into some hot oil, or you can even put it in a pan with some butter. I tried that the other day and it tasted quite amazing. Though the French toast sticks get a lot of their taste from the liquid mixture, it also does partially get some of its taste from the oil or the liquid that you were using to fry it with, so also keep that in mind. Then I just added each of my French toast sticks onto a plate. You ideally would want to add this onto a plate with a paper towel, just so some of the excess oil can come off of it and so they're not so oily. Next, you're just going to want to add some sugar onto a plate, and I added some nutmeg here, but I feel brown sugar and white sugar mixed actually makes the best mixture. And then I just took each of my little French toast sticks and then I dipped it into the sugar. I really wanted to make sure they were coated well. And you want to make sure you coat it well, just because it gives it a lot of extra flavor and a little bit of an added crunch. Then I just transferred all of my French toast sticks onto a plate, and here I just filled up a cute little syrup pour with some of this sugar-free syrup that I had. And here's the finished product. I decided to add some coconut cream and some strawberries onto the French toast sticks, and it tasted amazing. So if you guys want to try out this recipe, I will leave all of the measurements down below. And if you guys like the video, make sure to give it a like and stay tuned for next week's video. Bye guys!